Sometimes you got to encourage yourself. Sometimes you got to speak victory in your life, and no matter what it takes, just speak the word, and believe. Encourage yourself, speak over yourself in the Lord.